This JOYALENS digital microscope combines three easily swappable lenses that cover low to extremely high magnification, making it practical for everything from coin grading to examining biological slides in detail. The integrated 7-inch display and ultra-high-definition video output provide a crisp, comfortable view that makes fine features on circuit boards, stones, and specimens easy to see without eye strain. A tall, solid metal stand with a boom arm gives you a generous working area and stable support, which is especially helpful for soldering or working on larger boards under magnification. With both HDMI and USB connectivity, plus a generous memory card included, it is simple to capture images, record videos, and review your observations on a computer or large monitor. The companion measurement software and onboard controls turn the microscope into a capable analysis station, letting you measure dimensions, study edges, and document your work with more precision than a basic hobby scope. Adjustable side lighting, remote control operation, and broad compatibility with educational, hobby, and repair tasks make this microscope feel like a thoughtfully designed tool rather than a toy.